All right, today we're going to talk about how to solve the problem with Microsoft Teams and Apple AirPod audio. A lot of the times when you use AirPods, the volume seems to be stuck on max and there's nothing you can do about it. So even though you try to adjust the volume from the PC panel, it doesn't change the AirPods at all. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. What we want to do is to get to device settings so we can make some adjustments. There's two ways to get to device settings. One of them is to click on your user profile picture up at the top right. Then you're going to click on settings, and then you're going to click on devices. You can get to that menu as well from the control strip down at the bottom that you usually see by just clicking on the three dots. And then you're going to go click on show device settings. So when we do that and we look over on the right, we'll see that the speaker is set to headset, AirPods, hands-free AG. And that's where the main problem is. When it's hands-free AG, it seems to block the ability for the computer to change the volume. The other issue you run into, and they both have to be solved, is the microphone needs to be set not as the AirPods hands-free AG. So basically, we need to get rid of hands-free AG to solve the problem. So here's what you do. On the microphone, you click the drop-down, and you pick the built-in computer microphone, or if you have another one set up, you do that. So I'm going to pick the built-in microphone from the computer. Then the next step is to go up to the speaker, and I'm going to hit the drop down and switch it to just headphones, AirPods, stereo. That's the key. So we're going to click to that. Once you make those two changes, now the audio is going to sound beautiful and smooth and not distorted. One of the things to watch for is you might have to change the volume up quite a lot to hear it, but when you hear it, it'll be clean. So that's how you solve the problem with AirPods and Microsoft Teams.